Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. Introducing Pakistan's latest advancement in infantry weaponry, the A-16 rifle. This state-of-the-art firearm is chambered in 5.56 by 45mm NATO, offering a balance of accuracy and stopping power. With a 16-inch barrel and direct impingement gas system, its 30-round magazine capacity. The Pakistan Air Force has successfully tested the Mk-82, a 500-pound general-purpose bomb known for its high explosive power and versatility. This addition enhances the Air Force's ability to conduct precise strikes against various targets, contributing to national defense. To boost small arms training, Pakistan has introduced 4 hunting range pallets, each containing 200 rounds of 3.00mm diameter bullets. These precision-engineered bullets offer consistent performance, enabling soldiers to achieve better accuracy during training and in the field. The AB series fuses upgrade general-purpose bombs with multiple detonation modes, including impact, proximity, and long delay, providing unmatched accuracy for tactical air operations. AB-100 and AB-105 Ultra quick electronic impact nose fuses suitable for low and high drag configurations. Designed for next-gen missile trials, the Ababeel-2 boasts advanced flight control algorithms, GPS-assisted navigation, and modular payloads for electronic warfare simulation. This system elevates Pakistan's air defense capabilities to counter evolving aerial threats. Hey everyone, welcome to Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Let's get straight into the big stories. Here are today's detailed headlines. Hit that subscribe button for more updates. As Pakistan accelerates its drone and missile testing programs, India is ramping up its air defense modernization. Pakistan's recent advancements, including the Ababeel-2 aerial target system, hypersonic-capable cruise missiles, and long-range surface-to-air missile trials, have intensified regional security concerns. In response, India is fast-tracking the deployment of S-400 missile batteries, developing its indigenous MRSAM and Akash-NG systems, and integrating AI-driven radar networks for early threat detection. With both nations expanding their aerial combat capabilities, the South Asian airspace is witnessing a high-tech defense race that could reshape strategic military balances. The introduction of advanced 60mm mortar bombs marks a significant enhancement in Pakistan's infantry capabilities. These munitions are designed with improved explosive materials and stabilizing fins, leading to greater destructive power and an extended effective range. Additionally, the inclusion of multi-option fuses, such as the M734, allows for various detonation modes, including airburst, impact, or delayed explosion, providing tactical flexibility against different types of targets, from enemy troops to light armored vehicles. The newly developed MB342L, a 3400 mAh lithium-ion battery, represents a significant advancement in military power solutions. Designed for high-demand applications, it offers stable voltage output and quick recharging, which are crucial for the continuous operation of devices like communication equipment, unmanned systems, and electronic warfare tools. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand shocks, vibrations, and extreme temperatures, meeting the rigorous requirements of military environments. Pakistan continues to bolster its ammunition reserves with state-of-the-art munitions, including the Mk-82 500-pound bombs, advanced 60mm and 81mm mortar systems, and precision-engineered small arms ammunition. This strategic enhancement focuses on increasing firepower, improving accuracy, and ensuring efficient logistics. By investing in modern manufacturing techniques and strict quality control, Pakistan aims to maintain a robust and versatile arsenal capable of addressing the complex challenges of modern and future warfare scenarios. In a significant move towards military modernization, Egypt is turning its attention to Pakistan's defense technology. Recent high-level meetings between Egyptian and Pakistani officials have underscored a mutual commitment to enhancing defense cooperation. This collaboration aims to bolster Egypt's defense capabilities, reflecting a shared vision for regional stability. Notably, Egypt's Arab Organization for Industrialization has been instrumental in advancing defense production, including the local manufacturing of aircraft like the K-8E jet trainer. This growing partnership between Egypt and Pakistan signifies a strategic alignment in defense technology and industrial collaboration. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.